Airfan Daniel 2032 presents TV3 Ident Bloopers 9 New Character Assemble! Hey guys, I brought 10 new recruits joining us today. Here they are. I'm Itadori Yuji. I'm Kazuichi Soda. I'm Jelton. My name is Ali. I'm Agi. I'm Lightbulb. I'm Yasuhiro Hagakure. I'm Rantaro Amami. My name is Kaito Momota. And I'm Noah. Hi Itadori, so nice to see you. Me too, Gojo. Hey Naegi, it's so nice to see you. It's so nice to see you there, Hagakure. By the way, let's get started. Roll the camera. Cue the ident. Wait a second, is that Superintendent Chalmers? Yeah, I believe so.
BTW, let's continue. Roll the camera, cue the ident.
Hey, that's Friday Night Funkin'. Yeah, my favorite music of Friday Night Funkin' are Total Incident. Ipin? Javin hate Friday Night Funkin'. Wait, how do you know that? When I was joining in StreamYard, Javin really hate Friday Night Funkin'. By the way guys, let's continue. Roll the camera, cue the ident. Hey, that's my show. By the way, Mr. Maker, here's my funny part of your show. Roll it.
You dirty bird! Oh.
That was so very funny! Hey, that's my favorite food. Also, my hair looks like an avocado. Sorry to interrupt Rantaro, but Hajime and Nagito start arguing each other. Wait, are you serious? Nagito! Hajime! Cut that out, both of you. Alright. Is that Hunter Zero from My Hero Academia? Yeah, I believe so. By the way, his face is so cursed. Yeah, that Zero face is so cursed. I hope that Katsuki Bakugo never show up.
Not another meme of JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. This time, me shocking at the loud sister. Are you serious? The alarm went off.
Don't worry, Jonathan. We're not afraid of them. Let's see who invaded our studio this time. Oh no, not 14. Yes, it's me. Ha 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 ha. Nagito, I know you said 14 here. That's it. You're... Ouch. Not again. Ha, nice try, Hajime. But I didn't bring 14 here. So what is 14 doing here? I came here for Lars, so I can bring him to the Purple Hand Gang and eat his skin. Ugh, eating people's skin is so gross, man. Shut up, you stupid hair boy. One more insulting my hair or I'll zap you with my laser eyes. Stupid hair, stupid hair, stupid hair, stupid hair, stupid hair. Alright, I have enough. Now 14, take my laser eyes. Yes, 40 is now gone. Thank you, Cayenne. No problem. I hope that teach 40 a lesson not to eat people's skin.
Oh really? Well Irfan, I'm sending Render's universe after you.
it easy, Irfan. You know that Jonathan Joestar said Rander's universe here. Remain calm. Uh-oh. Tantrum in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No, damn it, Jonathan, why you stand right there? You ain't no
Oh no, Irfan blew his head off. No, our boss, no. No, Irfan, no. Thanks a lot, Jonathan. You made Irfan blew his head off.
Oh no, what have I done?
Gojo, let's help him bring to the hospital. I'm on it, Itadori. Itadori and Gojo bring Irfan to the hospital because he said have blown off all thanks to Jonathan Joestar. What happened to Irfan? Find out in the next episode of TV3 Ident Bloopers 10.